Do I have to hold it?
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey, hey, hey. Could I have that back? Oh, oh. Can I have that?
I told you it's hard to shovel when she's helping.
Hey, where you going? Bring it here. Bring it back.